Are you sick and shocked by the crazy cost in home construction right now? Well, you're not alone. And quite frankly, here at Kanga Roof, we are continue to be shocked and just flabbergasted at what the cost of home roof replacements, siding replacements, kitchen remodels, what everything has done ever since the pandemic. And today, that's what we're talking about, and specifically giving you some ways to try and at least mitigate, minimize, or at least have a strategy to not go over budget when it comes to these major home renovations. It's important to realize that this is actually a fairly new phenomenon. Yes, everyone's always thought construction was crazy expensive. Only now they think it and they're right. Ever since the pandemic, we have seen a very steep vertical increase in the overall cost of projects. And unfortunately, the exterior renovation industry has not been exempt. We found this article from Qualified Remodeler, and it broke down the percentage increase in materials from 2020 through the end of 2024. It's pretty eye-opening and pretty shocking when you look at asphalt products, including the roofing industry. Over a 40% material increase alone. Just the roofing materials. That's not the plywood. That's not any of the underlayments. Just the actual asphalt and shingles. It doesn't count labor. Nothing. So just materials went up by nearly half in 4 years. It certainly doesn't include what all the increases in 25 and 26. So what are you going to do? How do you mitigate this as a homeowner? Well, I got 3 tips for you. Number 1, plan. Plan and budget accordingly. Here's what's cool. Many contractors now have no obligation, free online planners and estimators. There's some great resources out there as well. The cost versus value guide, things that can help give you a reasonable idea of what the budget should be for the project you're thinking about conquering or tackling here. So number 1, we tell everyone, reasonably budget it and go into the project with a budget. Don't go into it blind. You can certainly use ours. You know, we have it on there and you can do anything from roofing to siding to repairs, gutters, you name it. You know, we want you to be informed. We try and make it easy for you. Number 2, do your research and vet your contractors. What everyone misses the boat on, the product you're buying whenever you do a home renovation, it's not the shingles. It's not that fancy countertop in your kitchen. It is the actual contractor. That's the product. So you got to do your research. Make sure they're certified. Make sure they're accredited by the BBB. Make sure they're actually licensed. Make sure their insurance, you can demand this, demand to see their insurance and license. Make sure it's actually valid. It would be shocking to many homeowners how many contractors let one of those 2 things lapse, exposing you to a huge liability. So you need to do your research. When you're using qualified, real contractors, you're going to find that pricing is going to be fairly consistent. Yeah, there'll be some variances, but we're talking 5-10% tops. And number 3, why are you spending all your cash on this? Utilize financing. When you look at, like right now, the average roof replacement here in Metro Detroit is floating right around $25,000. And it's wonderful if you can write a check for that. But at the same token, why would you? Why deplete your savings? Why deplete your emergency fund, or God forbid, take it out of your 401k? Again, contractors have their own financing. There's HELOC programs out there. There's home renovation loans out there. You know, we really believe in this. Protect yourself. You know, if you can get qualified for a 0% for 2, 3, 4 years, do it. Use somebody else's money. And just draw it slowly down out of your savings. Don't blow it up. So, at the end of the day, unfortunately, home renovations, yeah, it's gotten crazy. Thankfully, it has started to steady out, but we're never going back to 2019 levels. The simple analogy that we tell a lot of folks, if it was a $10,000 roof in 2019, it's probably, you know, an $18,500 to $21,000 roof in today's market, just because of all the increases. But if you use the 3 steps we gave you, use those free online estimators, vet your contractor, and utilize the financing. You can still get the work done you needed to by the best and most qualified contractors, so you never have to risk doing it twice. As always, I hope you got some benefit out of this. We certainly would love to help you here at Kanga Roof. We have those online estimating tools free for you to use. If you like it, you can always schedule your appointment right online at www.kanga-roof.com or give us a call, 586-566-0308. And as always, I hope you have a Kanga-rific day.